Now I think I got it now. Okay, here we are. They're a little over 2 weeks. Today is Tuesday, and they were actually 2 weeks on Friday. So today is September the 4th. So, yeah, and here's our little girl. Hey, Belle. Hey. Hey. She's a good girl. Yes, you are. You got beautiful babies. I love her coloring. Chocolate brown head and the blonde coat on her. She's just beautiful. There we go. Oh, yeah, Mom's in there. Go find her. Hey, go find Mom. Here we go. Is that the little girl there, Donna?
Nope, I'll show you the little girl.
Or she's... Because they look so much...
Wait, no, that's the boy.
Yeah, there she is.
Wait, she's under her.
Yeah.
Oh, wait now. Show her right here. Look.
Yeah, I thought that was her.
Yeah, wait now. Yeah, that's her.
Yeah, that's her.
Pretty short. Hang on. Come here, little munchkin.
Yeah.
That's her.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
And where's the other little girl?
Right there. She's full
You want
feed.
to take her for a second? And...
Yeah, look. There she is. Come on.
Oh, wow.
Say hi.
You beautiful little girl.
Say hi.
Here we go.
Say hi. Yeah, now my last nice spot.
There. There's 9.
See how good she is now?
She's
in the
phenomenal,
corner.
yeah.
She's
She's very careful.
much better.
She's a good mummy. She's a really good mum. There, we'll wait till they feed. I think one is over here. Is it? No, I guess not. All right. There we go. They're all feeding now. Yeah, Bella's a good mum. You are.